Okay, this is an overview of our structural engineering unit and the white box engineering learning system structure 2.0 challenge. How we're going to use this with the bridge building activity, and how we're also going to partner with the West Point design software and use the two of them to learn about structural engineering. So when you launch Whitebox and you get into structures, like all the other lessons that we've been doing, you'll first be expected to complete the research components in this challenge. You need to go through all the elements that are in here. There is a lot of information that is in this particular unit as it applies. You will have a quiz grade that is based on your worksheet analysis. This particular challenge doesn't have specific quizzes, but it does have some worksheet fundamentals, and so that's going to count as your quiz grade for this particular unit. So it's important to make sure you complete each of the worksheets on truss stability, linear forces, nonlinear forces, external forces, and free body diagrams. The challenge itself will be to build a 30 centimeter bridge in span. It may either be a through truss or what they call a side truss here, or it could be a deck truss where the deck is on top. Ultimately, you're going to use this software and the West Point bridge design software to come up with your plan as you build this and construct this out of balsa. This is an extended unit, and we will be doing other activities alongside this unit as we explore structures. When you're looking specifically at Whitebox, I am going to ask you, like we did in Mousetrap, to level up to level 3. And that is because in each of our levels there's different performance criteria, where you build a bridge for maximum capacity or you build a bridge to work within a budget, and then there's also the overall efficiency of the bridge. And so the different challenges or different levels have different challenge criteria. So I'm going to ask you to work through at least level 3 on this particular challenge. It also takes some time to build the sides in your bridge. You can use the engineering components here to design the actual bridge you build, and it will produce a template for you that you can use on the layout. We can also use the West Point bridge software. So I again encourage you to reference the help, as there are tutorials for modeling using the sketch, and also interpreting your analysis data. There's some excellent structural analysis tools that are built here into the West Point, and I'll have a more detailed video going over that. As indicated, you can get a template of your bridge and you can print that out. You can use that directly as an underlay to build your bridge. If you would rather design a bridge in the West Point bridge design build software, that is located on the PC, on our PC carts. You'd have to get into the TechEd software folder, which is on the desktop, and down here at the bottom is the West Point bridge design build software. Very similar to what Whitebox has. This allows you to design and create a bridge using the program. There are also some templates that are in here, and we'll have a separate activity where I'm going to ask you to design the cheapest Warren deck truss. And so when you open this up, you can use an existing load template, bridge template, and you can pull that out here to access the bridge, your saved work there. Look for another video on the specifics of using this software and how we're going to incorporate this into our structural engineering activities as well. So to begin with, start out with the white box engineering research, design materials, and then look at the other activities that we've put out on Canvas page dealing with the structural lessons. Good luck in your design pursuits, and have fun while you make the bridge.